my people, wonder, 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 wonder. Like, wonder shall never end in this country. Like, this 2022 is ending on such high note, should I say? Should I put it that way? Yeah. Like, we are seeing things that we've never seen before in this country. First of all, it was that court issued the arrest of EFCC chairman, and then we saw again courts issued the arrest of Inspector General of Police. And today I'm bringing to you another similar news. You know, court orders the arrest and imprisonment of the Chief of Army Staff. Yes, you heard that correctly. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is funny. Oh, in Nigeria, we have never seen this kind of, this kind of headline before. And I'm not happy. Should I say I'm happy? Because we shouldn't even be experiencing such in this country. We shouldn't have to hold these people accountable. These people should actually know that they need to do the right thing. But here we are. This is the first time that we are seeing this. High ranking officials, high ranking, uniform men are being held accountable. They are being forced to actually do the right thing. Maybe very soon we'll start having headlines such as court orders the arrest of the president. Probably. We need to start holding these people accountable, and this is what I've always been saying on this channel. Anyway, before we go ahead and look at the details of today's news, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Join this amazing community we have here. We're growing stronger day by day. We need you here when we hit that 1 million mark. So join us on this journey. Give this video a thumbs up as well. Turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Without further ado, let's delve into the details of today's news. Also, the judge issues that the Commandant's Training and Doctrine Command, MENA, Major General Olugbenga Olabanji, be arrested and imprisoned for a similar offense. The Punch reports that a federal high court sitting in Minna, the Niger State capital, has ordered the arrest of General Farouk Yahaya, the Chief of Army Staff. General Farouk Yahaya's arrest order was given over contempt. Justice Alima Abdul Malik, who issued the warrant and presided over the case, said the order followed notice brought before the court in pursuant of Order 42 Rule 10 of the Niger State High Court Civil Procedure 2018. The judge ruled that the order is commuting Yahaya to be kept in Minna correctional custody for contentions of order of a court on October 12, 2022, adding that the COAS, that is Chief of Army Staff, is to remain in custody till he has been purged of the contempt. Also, the judge issues that the Commandant Training and Doctrine Command, MENA, Major General Olugbenga Olabanji, be arrested and imprisoned for a similar offense. Justice Abdul Malik then adjourned the case to December 8th for continuation. The news had reported that on November 29, a federal high court sitting in Abuja sentenced the Inspector General of Police, Usman Baba, to 3 months in prison for disobeying a court order. The IGP's committal followed a suit that was filed by police officer Patrick Okoli, who was unlawfully and compulsorily retired from the Nigerian police force. The court also ordered the payment of 10 million naira to the applicant, being special and general damages for the unlawful and illegal and unconstitutional denial of his, that is Mr. Patrick's, rights and privileges as a senior officer of the Nigerian police force from 1993 till date. This is the kind of news that we want to be seeing. These high-ranking officials need to know that any fuck up on their side, any misbehavior, any corruption allegations, that the court is ready, and Nigerians as well are ready to hold them accountable. In fact, 2023 should be tagged, year of accountability. Like, if you misbehave, you'll be held accountable. If you misbehave, you are going to face the repercussion. Like, our politicians and our leaders, they should even be should I say they should be living in fear. They should be not living in fear. They should be very conscious of whatever they do. They should be very, they should be on their toes, just to make sure that they do the right thing. They should know that anything, any misbehavior, any little mistake, people are ready, to hold them accountable and say, oh, you did this, face the repercussion. We don't want to be hearing of people embezzling millions and billions of naira and they are going scot-free. That is not the kind of news I'm proud, to come up here and read. We've always, said that we want our public office holders, to be held accountable so that they know that, like, it's the national resources, is our money. Like, it belongs to the whole country, not to one man, somewhere, all because you are privileged to be a politician or you are privileged to be in that position. Then you think that you can do and undo. People misbehaving left, right, and center, and at the end of the day, they will just strike a bargain. We are seeing people who have stolen a whole billion, like billions of naira, and then they will just strike a bargain and say, okay, I'm returning so amount, and then they will be let go. Or public office holders will be put in prison for embezzling millions of naira. They will just serve a jail term of like 3 months, 6 months max, and they will be let go. That is not what we want to see. We want to be saying all these are public office holders, held accountable. We want them to know that, like, we are all in this together. If you fail, it will affect all of us, together. Let me know what you all think in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the post notification as well. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now.